Is it just a string of digits? A sequence that unlocks a connection? Or, in our increasingly digital world, does the quest for allies number represent something far deeper, a yearning for genuine contact in a sea of fleeting interactions? Think about it. We've all been there, haven't we? That moment of hesitation. The awkward pause before asking. The frantic search through old messages, hoping against hope that the number is still there, somewhere, buried beneath the digital detritus of our lives. We're chasing a connection, a way to reach out, to bridge the gap between ourselves and another person. But who is ally? And why does their number hold such significance? Is it a romantic pursuit? A long-lost friend? Or perhaps, a symbol of something more abstract? The answer, as you'll soon discover, is surprisingly complex. Let's rewind, shall we? To a time when phone numbers weren't just stored in our contacts, but etched into our memories. When dialing a number was an act of intention, a deliberate choice to connect with another human being. Before the endless scroll of social media, before the instant gratification of a like or a share, there was the phone call. Remember the anticipation? The nervous energy as you pressed each digit, hoping that the line would connect, that the voice on the other end would answer. That simple act, dialing a number, was a gateway to a conversation, a connection, a moment of shared humanity. And in this digital age, that sense of connection feels increasingly elusive. We're bombarded with notifications, messages, and updates, yet we often feel more isolated than ever. We crave genuine interaction, a sense of belonging, a real, tangible connection. So, when we ask, what is ally's number, we're not just asking for a sequence of digits. We're asking for a way to break through the noise, to cut through the digital clutter, to reach out and touch another soul. The quest for ally's number is, in many ways, a metaphor for our search for connection in a fragmented world. It's a reminder that behind every profile, every avatar, every screen, there's a real person, with real emotions, real desires, real needs. Now, let's delve into the specifics. The search for ally's number often starts with fragments. A name whispered in a crowded room. A fleeting glance exchanged across a crowded street. A forgotten conversation, a half-remembered memory. We scour social media, searching for clues, for any trace of ally's existence. We sift through old emails, hoping to find a forgotten contact. We ask mutual friends, hoping that someone, somewhere, has the answer. But the more we search, the more elusive ally's number becomes. It's like chasing a ghost, a phantom limb, a memory that fades with each passing moment. Sometimes, the number is right there, within reach, but we hesitate. We're afraid of rejection, afraid of the unknown, afraid of what might happen if we actually make the call. Other times, the number is lost, forever out of reach, a reminder of missed opportunities and what might have been. The regret lingers, a constant reminder of the connections we failed to make, the bridges we failed to build. But the search for ally's number isn't just about finding a specific sequence of digits. It's about the journey, the process of searching, the act of reaching out. It's about the hope that somewhere, somehow, we'll find that connection, that we'll bridge the gap, that we'll find our way back to each other. And in that journey, we learn something about ourselves. We discover our own capacity for hope, our own resilience, our own desire for connection. We realize that the search for ally's number is, in fact, a search for ourselves. A search for our own humanity, our own capacity for love, our own desire to belong. Now, to answer the initial question, what is ally's number? The answer, in its most literal form, is that ally's number is a dynamic variable, constantly changing, and dependent upon the context. It can be a phone number, a social media handle, an employee ID, or a series of coordinates. But, to get to the true heart of the matter, we have to look deeper. Ally's number is the number of connections they have made. It is the amount of compassion they have shown. It is the value they place on human interaction. Ally's number is the measurement of their impact on the world. It is the tally of the lives they have touched. Ally's number is, in essence, a measure of their humanity. Therefore, allies' number is not a fixed quantity. It is a constantly evolving metric, a reflection of their ongoing journey, a testament to their capacity for connection. You see, the number is not a destination. It is a process. It is the act of reaching out, the act of connecting, the act of being present. So, instead of focusing on finding a specific sequence of digits, let's focus on building connections, on fostering genuine interactions, on creating a world where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. Let's make our own numbers count by enriching the lives of others. Let's make our own numbers a testament to our compassion. Let's make our own numbers the sum of our humanity. Let us all be ally, in our own way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.